Time to pull some plasterboard. Well, I got the sink and the toilet out. I've got an open wall here with the new valves installed. The valves are covered with tape so I don't get dirt in them. Have the drain for the toilet covered. Got a piece of wood over the top of it, sealed off against the wax ring so that nothing can get in or get out. Now I just have to go through and start smashing some plasterboard to get it out of here. Just gonna punch it out around here, because that's the real spot that I have to worry about. I don't want to break any of these pipes off, so I'm going to leave that chunk. Actually, I'm going to try and bust it up into small pieces to get it off of there. And for that, I'm going to use this framing hammer. Well, they did a good job of installing those lines. They attached them to a board on the back of that 2x4, so it's anchored in there pretty solidly. Now I should be able to start pulling this off. No matter what I do, this stuff catches me every time. I got a knuckle. A couple knuckles. Well, I have the wall knocked down. Now I got to pick up all the mess. No point watching that. Well, I got the sink and the toilet out and pulled the plasterboard off the wall. I still got a lot of mess to clean up, but no point watching that. If you want to stick around and find out what's going to happen next, just tune in Monday through Friday at noon, Saturday and Sunday at 9 a.m. I'll be looking for you. Thanks for watching.